Alfa Laval is a leading provider of specialized products and engineered solutions. Alfa Laval is a global company with head office in Sweden, 37 production centers, 102 service centers, and a sales presence in 110 countries. Key technologies are separation, fluid handling, and heat transfer. Within heat transfer, air heat exchangers are an important product group, with traditional applications like air coolers for agricultural and food industries and air-cooled liquid coolers for power and process industries. A fine example of such optimized solutions is the development of a dedicated range of air coolers for data center cooling. The data center industry is in full expansion. Required cooling capacities worldwide are booming, driven particularly by the latest trend in cloud computing. Typically, data center owners and operators are looking for reliable, cost-efficient equipment with a long lifespan, energy savings, elimination of hotspots in the server rooms, and minimum maintenance. Traditionally, data center cooling is provided by standalone integrated air conditioning units with limited cooling capacities per unit situated inside the white space. This means that all maintenance is carried out inside the sensitive server area too. Dutch consultant Boersma developed a much more energy-efficient and therefore very competitive cooling system for data centers. This low-speed ventilation concept is a completely integrated building ventilation and recirculation system. Server heat is dissipated by means of low-speed controlled air recirculation. As a result, hotspots are avoided throughout the white space. And as the air coolers are situated in a separate building area, any maintenance takes place outside the sensitive server area and avoids the entry of unauthorized people. In close cooperation with consultant and system builders, our Alfa Laval air specialists have developed a dedicated air cooler range for this low-speed ventilation concept. Alfa Laval low-speed ventilation air coolers are fully dedicated, heavy-duty industrial air coolers that operate with low fan speeds, low air velocities, and minimal pressure differences along the route of the airflow. The range is based on a flexible modular construction to fit all duties and data center layouts. The Dutch government is currently concentrating its existing 64 data centers, which house the computer service for all government organizations and services, into 4 energy-efficient, state-of-the-art data centers. Enormous 10-fan low-speed ventilation air coolers were selected for this specific project. At Alfa Laval, each production order is carefully planned and evaluated in daily meetings attended by the entire logistic and production teams. Our organization is fully certified in accordance with the highest ISO 9001 and 14001 standards. The heart of each low-speed ventilation air cooler is the finned coil. Our cooler coils are made from heavy-duty, industrial-quality corrugated aluminium fins and copper tubes. Copper tubes are flex-banded into the fin package, thus ensuring a rigid coil construction and a good thermal contact between tubes and fins. Air coolers are crucial but delicate components in each cooling system. That's why soldering and assembly is done by highly skilled specialists in our factories. All casing parts are of corrosion-resistant material with a heavy-duty epoxy finish, which ensures they're easy to clean and guarantees a long and maintenance-free product life. To avoid the devastating effect of zinc whiskers on computer electronics, uncoated galvanized steel parts are never used in our air coolers. Each unit is fitted with energy-efficient EC fans. On request, they can also be equipped with Modbus communication for precise fan control. low-speed ventilation air coolers are fitted with industry-standard F9 filter units over the entire coil surface area. These are easily replaced for cleaning and inspection. Now here's a result. A 10-fan low-speed ventilation air cooler unit with a maximum cooling capacity of 300 kilowatts per unit for safe, energy-efficient and trouble-free data center cooling. Alfa Laval Data Center Air Coolers, the best air cooler solution for low-speed ventilation systems.